Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth and set visibility so they can pair quickly. Next, open an APK extractor or package manager. This step creates the actual install file you will send. Once done, find the target app in the extractor, choose Export or Save APK, and write the file to an easily accessible folder. Make sure the extracted APK version matches the recipient device OS level to avoid compatibility problems. Now pair the two devices through Bluetooth settings, confirm the PIN or code when prompted so the connection is secure. On the sender, open your file manager, navigate to the exported APK, tap Share and select Bluetooth as the method. Choose the paired device from the list and send. On the receiving device, accept the incoming file transfer. You should see a progress indicator. Wait until it completes fully before attempting installation, because partial files will fail to install. To finish, enable Install Unknown Apps for the file manager or installer so the APK can be sideloaded. Android blocks unknown sources by default. Open the received APK file, follow the on-screen installer prompts, and grant required permissions. Once installed, launch the app to verify functionality. If installation fails, check for common issues: mismatched Android versions, a corrupted APK from an interrupted transfer, or Bluetooth timeouts. Re-extract and resend if needed. Also ensure the recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.